King Kylie era is officially back. Yes, this iconic era. 2016 makeup was truly the best. And Kylie Cosmetics just dropped a limited edition King Kylie collection. Let's go back to 2016 and do some glam. Okay, we are very matte, but if you remember this makeup era, we had a fully matte face with a blinding highlight. Going in with the loose powder highlight. This is inspired by the original 2017 highlight. And this is 3 Strikes. This highlight is so nostalgic. Oh my gosh. Love the shade. Now we have the King Kylie eyeshadow palette, and all of these shades are named after Kylie's iconic hair colors. Taking shade Natural Brunette, and I'm just gonna pack that onto the center of the eye. Okay, Majesty, I'm just gonna pop that on the inner corner. Next, we have the iconic lip kit. I specifically remember when I bought my first one of these. There are 4 new shades, but I want to try True Brown K. This one was a part of the original launch, one of the 3 original shades. A brown liquid matte lip really just sends me back. Lastly, we have the Supple Lip Glaze. Going in with shade Literally. This is like a brown nude. This is so cute on top. Alright, you guys, here is the final look. This is so nostalgic. It was so fun to do a little throwback look, but let me know what you guys think.